Hi, kids. It's so good to see you. Do you want to come play with us? Let's go on an adventure in my Toybox.
Hi, Toybox kids.
Hello.
Hello. What are we going to do today?
Today we're going to make bunny eggs.
We are going to make Easter eggs. Yeah. And these ones are called Unicorn Color Whip with glitter.
Yep. And today, we're also going to do Anna to help us with this mixer.
Yeah, why is Anna the best choice to help us make these Easter eggs?
Because she practiced a lot to crack eggs.
She practiced a lot to crack eggs? All right, so inside we have this whip powder. Okay. We also have some dyes. We have blue, green, and red, it looks like. And 2 pouches of glitter.
Yep.
And looks like some glue.
Yeah, glue.
Glue, okay.
And today we also have eggs. And did you know dinosaurs are real?
Dinosaurs were definitely real.
And then they died.
Yep. Do you want to use this whipped powder? Or do you want to make something called Aquafaba? Do you know what Aquafaba is?
No.
Can you say Aquafaba?
Aquafaba.
Aquafaba. Aquafaba is a foam made from the liquid around chickpeas.
Yeah.
Do you know what chickpeas are?
No.
No, they're these little beans that look like this.
Yeah.
They're also called garbanzo beans.
Yeah.
And you can make aquafaba out of the juice that's around them. All right, so we're just gonna pour in our liquid from the chickpeas. Chickpeas just seem like an Easter thing, don't they?
Yeah.
Because they're called chickpeas, like little chickens. So some people use aquafaba instead of whipped cream, people that can't have dairy.
Like, I can have dairy.
Right, so when people can't have dairy, sometimes they make aquafaba. So you just put sugar and you whip up these, this liquid.
And here's the tinned one.
Yeah, so let me go ahead and get this started.
But
this will take a couple minutes, about 3 minutes to make it. To make aquafaba, it will take you at least 3 to 5 minutes at a medium to high speed. You should try to get, if you're going to actually eat this, you should try to get it to form stiff peaks, at which point you would fold in a little bit of sugar or stevia to make it sweet. But since we're just using this for play today, we are going to next spoon it out. Stop it. Okay, so I think this will work. I think this is foamy enough. Okay.
It's foamy.
It's foamy. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to spread it out.
It kind of smells like trash can.
Smells like beans, if that's what trash can smells like to you.
Yeah.
Mommy really likes these beans, but do you?
No.
Do you want to? I dare you to try this. Will you try this?
No way.
How? Okay, so now that our aquafaba is all made, we are going to spread out this play foam onto a mat. We're using a silicone mat, but you could also use a parchment paper or a baking sheet. All right, so the next part is we have to drizzle these 3 colors onto the foam. Okay. Okay. Next, we're going to use these toothpicks and we're going to swirl. Now, the next step says now you're supposed to put gloves on, even though my hands definitely got dyed with that dye. But I'm going to have you go ahead and put
my hands got dyed.
I know. I'm going to have you put a glove on, though.
Yeah.
Okay. These gloves are definitely not... Oh, what are you doing? Honey, what are you doing?
I'm spinning.
No. No, please stop. Please stop. Well, no. Now you just roll the egg like this.
Oh.
You roll the egg around. Oh, man. You roll the egg in the foam, keeping that pretty... Here, I should have gloves on, but... And then you just let them dry, okay? So, look, you see how this marbling is up here? We're gonna roll it in the marbling.
On the other egg.
You see how it has that marbling effect to it? And then you're gonna roll it in here. See, it has that pretty marble to it. And then we're just gonna let it dry. Okay, now according to the instructions, we have to let them dry for 5 minutes.
Hello, Toybox kids.
Hey, it's been 5 minutes, and hopefully this dye has soaked into our eggs, and we're gonna rinse them in cool water and then put them over here to dry a little longer.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Let's dip them.
It looks a little bit blue.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a sunset.
Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, try the next one. Oh, look at Anna's face. Look at Anna's face.
Yeah.
What happened?
It got on her face a little bit.
We should wipe her off, huh?
Yeah.
And we really should have been using gloves from the beginning. We got dye all over our hands, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. All right, now that they've all been rinsed, we have to wait another couple minutes for them to dry.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, hi Toybox kids. The last step here is to put glue and glitter on all these eggs, and then we'll have our final unicorn Easter egg. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, do you want me to hold it while you put the glue on? Sprinkle some glitter.
Put it in here, and then let's grab it and sprinkle it on.
All right, sprinkle it on. Okay, and that's what the finished Easter eggs look like. Watch this.
Look. Spread, spread, glitters. Spread, 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 spread. Spread your whole life. Going to make a wonderful world happy. So happy. Just never mean it. I'll do the turn. Oh, so move it, dip them. 'Cause I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this.
Why do you think these are called unicorn Easter eggs?
Because they look like unicorns.
Unicorns have a lot of glitter, don't they?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to find some more things to use this glitter for.
Yeah.
Would you say that this is the final product here?
Yep.
It's beautiful.
And I just need to put blue. Let's put blue on too.
Blue, pink, purple.
It's everywhere.
Just roll it
And
around.
there's more glitter of this. Can you open this, Mom?
Look at my fingers. They're kind of pretty, actually. Yeah. Wear gloves. Definitely wear gloves. Look at that.
Yeah.
If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe.